I want to show you something that might make you a little angry. I just hung up with a homeowner in Gwinnett County, and we were talking about his renewal, and I have a copy of it. He's been with the same insurance company for about 5 years now, and I'm going to show it to you because I want you to see the things that we look for in a homeowner's insurance policy, how we poke holes in your coverages, what coverages do we recommend and why, and then we'll look at the premium, and you'll get a little bit of a window into the process of what it's like to shop for homeowners insurance with us. So let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen so you can see it all. All right, so here it is. Let me point out a couple of things to you. First of all, check this out. The annual premium, almost $3,800 per year. Let me point out a couple of other things. He's got a 2,500 square foot home. Check this one out. Look at this line. He's got a 2% deductible for wind and hail. Now, most people, when they see that 2% deductible, they think that it's 2% of your damage in the event of a claim. But 2% of your deductible is actually 2% of your dwelling limit, which you'll see right here is $400,000. So in the event of a wind and hail claim, he has an $8,000 deductible. A couple of other things worth noting on this one. He doesn't have any water backup coverage. He's got a couple of optional endorsements that are good to have, like building codes coverage right here. He's got replacement cost on his roof. Those are great, but we're missing water backup coverage, and that's a big one. Okay, now I want to show you what happened after we ran him through our market sweep, shopped him across all of our insurance carriers. What happened was, here's a copy of that quote. We found him a better rate, a lower deductible, and we added water backup coverage. Even a couple of other optional endorsements that I don't think he had before, like dwelling extension, personal property replacement cost, service line endorsement to cover his buried utility lines. So what happened here is he's saving over $1,800. He's keeping the same dwelling limit. We increased his personal liability. We've got him a flat deductible that won't change over the years and is much lower. And we added water backup coverage. He still has replacement cost on his roof. So you'll see, when you work with an insurance broker, you get to shop the whole market because the important thing is to find the insurance company that's looking for you. If you've been with the same company for a long time, let's say 5 years or more, there's a good chance that you are not in the same risk profile that you were when you bought that policy years ago. And there's also a good chance that your insurance company has changed their risk appetite. So it could be that you're paying for what you thought was a benefit and loyalty. That's why we think it's a good idea to shop around every few years just to make sure you're still with an insurance company that really is suited to your risk profile. Now, we'd like to do the same thing for you. If you feel like you benefit from more clarity and confidence with regard to your homeowner's insurance coverage, click the link below, link your deck pages to our database so we'll have full access to your current policy. I'll make you a video just like this one, poking holes in your current coverage and showing you where the gaps are. I'll tell you what's good on your policy, and I'll tell you what could be improved. Then I'll show you a quote that might put you in a better situation. So as soon as you're ready, click the link below. We look forward to engaging with you, and thanks so much for watching this video today.